Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So no reason at the moment to doubt my scenario here that we are moving up, or we were moving up in a wave 4 here in pink in this overall possible diagonal pattern. At the moment I'm not counting it as diagonal, but that we had here since we moved out to the downside here out of this ascending wedge on the 18th of May. Yeah. After we made a low on the 12th of May, by the way. Yeah, I always told you we ideally need to have another lower low below the 12th of May low. And yeah, so far the Elliott wave count here for Solana has been working out textbook-like perfectly, honestly. And even here, the my view that the wave 4 might have finished here seems to be, at least at the moment, following my expectations. And it could really be that we shortly move to the downside here further. In my earlier video, I told you that we could have peaked here. We now expect a move further down for Solana. Then this has also taken place. And in addition to that, if we want to forget about Elliott waves, you can possibly draw this here as an ascending wedge as well. Yeah, basically a breakout pattern to the downside. Again, not guaranteed to break to the downside, but not unlikely, yeah, or just a channel or something. But even this would look more like an ascending wedge, and this would usually more likely than not break out to the downside. To get here a good indication that this will indeed break down, yeah, so that the wave 4 is indeed finished. First of all, we would need to see a move below the previous swing low here at $30. Then we would go to the dotted line here, in my opinion, at $26.73, that swing low. And then we would even move below the low of the wave 3 that we made, depending on how we want to count it, but let's say here, which would be at $26. And if we go below this level, then we can finally get to my target, and that is around $19 to $21. I did say that to you before. That is where I would currently expect Solana to bottom out. Again, this can change if we see any different wave movements which are not expected. Then of course I will let you know. Could it break out from here? Certainly. Yeah, it certainly has made enough moves down that we could possibly find a way to count this as a completed 5-wave move. I'm not keen on that idea yet, but it is certainly possible. And in this scenario, what would need to happen for me to consider a breakout to the upside, which means possibly a move to new all-time highs? First of all, I would want to see significant price action after breaking out of this channel. So we would need to break out of this descending channel, and I would want to see significant price action above $41.96, above that wave 2 high. Even better would be a move above $48.41. And even then, you know, we would still have a projected 10x to the next all-time high based on the Elliott wave count wave 3 targets. And this is pretty much how I currently see Solana. Not a big change, therefore only a short video, but I know a lot of people have asked for another Solana update, and I'm happy to do one, but then only a short one because there is not much change. It's currently following the view that I had in the previous video. However, Solana now needs to deliver and move further down and break below these support levels, and then we can also complete here the wave 5 in pink. And then yeah, we could really now already be in this wave 5 in pink, in this last wave of the last wave basically, yeah, and we want to complete that, and then we have another good chance to turn around to the upside. And as soon as I see confirmation that the trend change is occurring, I will of course let you know. Okay, and that is my view about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.